Hi, welcome to STEM with the Houston Public Library. I'm Mary, and today we're going to be making some fantastic flying ghosts. This activity is intended for ages 14 and up. You will need a tea bag, scissors, a lighter, and a marker. The most important part of this activity is drawing the ghost face. Is your ghost happy that they are about to fly? Sad? Now that the important stuff is done, cut off the top of your tea bag. Try to make it as straight as possible. And empty out the contents that are in there. Open your bag into a cylindrical shape. If it cannot stand on its own, you might want to cut off the bottom as well, just so it can stand. So we have our ghost ready to go. Step outside. Sometimes the ghost goes really high. Grab anyone you need for supervision and light the top of your ghost. Once the fire burns down to the bottom, the ghost will shoot off into the sky. So why does this happen? As the air in the cylinder heats up, it becomes less dense. When air becomes less dense, it rises. As the hot air rises, cooler air sweeps in, creating a convection current. So warmer air plus less density plus convection current equals liftoff. Thank you so much for joining me today. We hope to see you soon. Bye!